And I'm happy to inform you that Jim Beglin has joined me to offer his expertise.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
Have made a major appointment here. What's your take on it?
This could be a very open, attractive game to watch.
Just soaking up the pre-match atmosphere here as we wait for things to get started. Won't be long now before we get through the formalities. A warm welcome, one and all. So, the lineups. He's taking on the lot of them.
And the goal.
Belts one.
With that, he's now found the net in his last 5 games. You can't...
Dashing forward at pace. And he's escaped his man. There's the whistle, and here we go. Well, very few players come to mind ahead of a certain Graham Souness when we use the term midfield general.
Yeah, it applies to him because he's as strong a character as it comes, Peter.
Is there any support? He might not need... Lewandowski.
This is a player at the very...
He's off on a marauding run. He's had a shot!
He's made it 5 from 5, and that's why his is the first name on the team.
Goes through the middle.
He's on such a run of form now, 4 in 4, you can't...
Cristiano Ronaldo. He's through, it's 1-on-1.
He's made it 5 from 5. And that's why his is the first name on the team sheet.
Defenders on the back foot. He's through, it's 1-on-1. Tries his luck. Brilliant. It could be a lifeline. 2 more needed.